Happy Flatbread Friday! We're gonna have a fun time with our pizza today. I was in the fresh market doing some shopping and I ran across some dry cured Italian sausage, some smoked Gouda, and in my fridge I had some tomatoes, a pepper, and some red onion. And in my pantry I had some barbecue sauce. Oh, and by the way, I got this pizza crust at the fresh market as well. So today we are going to make a barbecue sausage and smoked Gouda pizza. And it's gonna be real good and it's gonna be fun, and follow along. We are gonna unroll our pizza crust. It's good looking. And then flip it onto our baking sheet. Pretty good fit. I wish I had a round pizza pan, but I do not. So to save these edges, I think we'll crimp them up a little bit and make an edge. First thing I did was roll it in about a ½ an inch, and then we're just gonna pinch to kind of hold that together. Go all the way around. Now it fits better. So the next thing we're gonna do is spread on some barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. I just happen to have this, so that's why I decided to use it, because the cheese is smoked Gouda and the sausage is sausagey, and that goes well with barbecue. So we're gonna spread it on. Wasn't in the plan, but I had a little bit of that spinach and arugula mix left over from the chicken and mushroom oatmeal, and I think we're gonna use that up. So that's going down. Spread it around. It'll give it a little color. And as you may remember, I like to put greens and things that will dry out underneath cheese. So here comes a little mozzarella. Don't need a whole lot, just enough to protect it. Next, we're gonna put on our dry cured sausage. I have a pretty fair amount of that left, so we'll look for that in another recipe to follow at some point. And it's down, it looks pretty on the pizza. The next thing we're gonna do is some diced tomato, just a little sprinkle. Keep it inside the crust. Next goes on our bell pepper. We'll fix that as we go. Last but not least, some red onion. And I said not least because here comes our smoked Gouda. I don't know if I've ever seen shredded smoked Gouda in a store before. I've shredded it and used it that way, but I never saw it come that way, so I was intrigued, and that's why I bought it. Okay, our barbecue sausage and smoked Gouda pizza is ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna put it in 425 for about 20 minutes, and let's see what she comes out like. Our barbecue sausage and smoked Gouda pizza is out of the oven, and it looks and smells fantastic. The barbecue sauce is giving it a nice tang smell, and it really looks nicely browned. And this Gouda was a little browner and crispier than I thought it was going to be, but I think that'll still be good. So now we're going to slice it up and serve it. All served up on our plate. It's meaty and greeny. I didn't realize those greens are going to be all stringy underneath, but they are, and they're going to be good, and they added a nice color. And like I said, the barbecue sauce added a nice tang, and the smoked Gouda smells smoky. And happy Flatbread Friday. I want to thank you for joining me for a fun edition of Flatbread Friday. Can't wait to eat this guy a little bit later. Oh, like I said, the greens are stringy, but let's show you the pretty side. And you can see the nice layer of green in there. And then we have our other toppings and our crispy crust. And that's a nice thin crust. I'll probably buy another one of those again. And again, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you again real soon. We'll see what we're gonna do with those leftovers. are the toppings for this pizza.